Class dear students, today we'll discuss some ages. I'm going to tell some tricks in ages. Let us see directly the question number 1. Ravi was 4 times as old as his son 8 years ago. Ravi was 4 times as old as his son 8 years ago. So the ratio between Ravi and his son 8 years ago means we'll write minus 8. It is 4:1. This is the first step. After 8 years means plus 8. After 8 years, Ravi will be 2 times as old as his son. See, what I am doing is, I am directly telling you the single step. Ravi was 4 times as old as his son means it's a ratio. After 8 years, Ravi will be 2 times as old as his son. That is also one ratio. So 2 ratios we are putting under the Ravi and son. Now we are going to cross multiply this. 4 into 1, 4. Minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. I am going to write here. First step, 4 into 1, 4. Minus 2. That is 2. This is the first step. Second step, the down ratio, if you take the difference, 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Now, say it is minus signs or plus signs. Don't worry, just count these 2 digits. Minus 8 and plus 8, it is equal to 16. Minus 8 plus 8 equal to 16. So 1 into 16 is 16. So we can cancel like this. 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. So 1 part is equal to 8. Now, if you see, dear students, I am going to directly put 1 part equal to 18. First ratio, that is Ravi is to son. If you take 4 is to 1, 4 8s are 32 and 8 1s are 8. This is the age of Ravi and son, but this is 8 years ago. Now I have to add 8 for this. 32 plus 8, 40. 8 plus 8, 16. So the ratio is 40 is to 16. So the present ages are 40 and 16. This is question number 1. రవి అండి 4 రెట్లు ఉన్నారండి వాళ్ళ అబ్బాయి కంటే 4:1. 8 సంవత్సరాల క్రితం -8. ఆఫ్టర్ 8 ఇయర్స్ 8 సంవత్సరాల తర్వాత వాళ్ళ రేషియో 2:1కి వచ్చిందండి. రవి 2:1కి వచ్చిందండి 8 సంవత్సరాల తర్వాత. ఇప్పుడు ఏంటంటే రవి వయసు వాళ్ళ కొడుకు వయసు కావాలండి. సో ముందు క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లై చేస్తాం. 4 into 1 4 minus 2 into 1 2 అక్కడ కింద వేసుకోవాలండి. నెక్స్ట్ ఈ కింద రేషియో యొక్క డిఫరెన్స్ 2 minus 1 1 ఇక్కడ వేసుకోవాలండి. ఈ మైనస్ సైన్ ప్లస్ సైన్ వదిలేస్తే అంటే ఇది 16 అండి. సో 1:16. 1 part equal to 16. సో ఇక్కడ 2 parts ఉన్నాయి. 2 into 8 16. సో 1 part equal to 8 వచ్చిందండి. దీన్ని మనం సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తాం ఫస్ట్ రేషియోలో. సో 4 into 8 32 and 1 into 8 8. ఇది 8 సంవత్సరాల క్రితం అండి. ఇప్పుడు ప్రజెంట్ అయితే 32 plus 8 కలపాలండి. బికాజ్ ఏజ్ ఇస్ కామన్ ఫర్ ఆల్, అందరికీ సమానం కాబట్టి 40. 8 కలిపితే 16 అండి. దిస్ ఈస్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 1. Let us see the next question. I am going to write directly within 15 seconds. Next question. Random question. Let us see. Ratio of percentages of A and B 2:3. A is to B ratio direct గా చేస్తున్నానండి 2:3. Percentages of ratios of A and B 2:3. After 6 years plus 6, ratio of the ranges 3:4. Percentages 2:3. After 6 years 3:4. Now directly I am going for the step. The step is cross multiply 24, 8 and 9. 8 and 9 difference is 1. 3 into 3 9, 24, 8. Okay. So difference is 1. 3 and 4 ratio difference is 1. So 1 into 6 is 6. So 1 part equal to 6. Now the ratio is 2:3. That is 2 6 are 12 and 6. Okay. This is the answer. Let us go for the next question. Let us check, dear students, if I add after 6, that is it will become 12 plus 6 18. This will become 6 plus 6 12. This ratio 6 3s is 6 2s, that is 3:2. Let us see one more question. Let us see one more question. Three years ago, the age of father was 7 times son's age. 3 years ago, father and son are there. 3 years ago, father was 7 times son. So the ratio is 7:1. If the father's present age is 5 times son's age, father's present age is 5 times son's age. 3 years ago, so -3. Now we are going to cross multiply. The father's present age is 5 times his son's age. Find the present age of the father. Find the present age of the father. So 7 minus 5 2. 5 minus 1 4. 4 into 3 12. Forget about the sign, minus or plus. So 1 part equal to 6. Now if you take the ratio father is to son, 7 6 are 42. 6 1s are 6. This is 3 years ago. Present age is 42 plus 3, 45. Okay? And 6 plus 3, 9. మూడు సంవత్సరాల క్రితం ఫాదర్ అండ్ సన్ యొక్క రేషియో 3:1. సారీ 7:1. ప్రెసెంట్ ఏజ్ ఫాదర్ సన్ ది 5:1. సో మనం ఏం చేస్తామంటే అండి క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లై 7 into 1 7 minus 5 దట్ ఈస్ 2 కింద వేసుకుంటున్నామండి. ఈ కింద రేషియో యొక్క డిఫరెన్స్ 5 minus 1 4. ఈ పైన వేసుకుంటున్నామండి 4 into 3 12. నెగిటివ్ సైన్ పాజిటివ్ సైన్ వదిలేయండి. సో 2 parts equal to 12. 1 part equals 6 అవుతుందండి. ఇప్పుడు ఫాదర్ ఎంతంటే అండి 7:1 రేషియో 7 into 6 42. 6 into 1 6. కానీ 3 సంవత్సరాల క్రితం అండి 42. ఇప్పుడైతే 3 కలపాలి కాబట్టి 42 plus 3 45 and 6 plus 3 9 అండి. So this is a trick we are using here. Next question. చూద్దామండి. 5 years ago, father was 3 times son's age. Father and son. ఇది ఒక మోడల్ అండి. 5 years ago minus 5. Father was 3 times. 3:1. Father 3 times ఉన్నారండి. 5 years ago. 5 years hence, father and son becomes 11:5. So 5 years ago, father and son 3:1. 5 years తర్వాత అండి father and son ratio is 11:5. Okay, find father's present age. So difference 5 into 3, 15. 15 minus 11, 4. And 11 minus 5 difference, 6. So 6 into 5 plus 5, 10. 6 into 10, 60. Forget about minus and plus sign. So 1 part equal to 4 15s are 60. This is 1. So 1 part equal to 15. Now father and son ratio, if we take, father is 3 times. That is, father is equal to 3 into 15. 45 and son is 15. This is 5 years ago. Present rate stand 5 years. 45 plus 5 50 and 15 plus 5 20. So for checking the ratio, after 5 years, father is to son. After 5 years, 55 and 25. That is 5 5s are 25, 5 11s are 55. This is the checking. So like this, we can solve the question in shortcut trick. Thank you, dear friends.